Okay, it's Dave from Dave-Warden's a lot here at the crime scene. So you can see here this lovely sunflower that was just blossoming like yesterday, like right after like a week of rain, and we had beautiful sunshine, and oh my god. And the deer. And they didn't do this before. Somewhere along the way, they got a taste for it. And there was a mom and a baby that we saw one night, like midnight. Maybe the baby just developed a taste for this stuff. But as we come across over here, this one, sunflower, they've been chewing on, you can see. And then over here, this one has just been absolutely decimated. So they're coming up on the sidewalk, chilling out, and then probably taking this little thing, this little root up into my yard, and then that one's been chewed on too. These two other, so that one back there. So this is really, really frustrating. I love my sunflowers so much, but these deer are just going to town on it. So let's go up here and do some more forensic analysis. Part of the front yard landscaping. We'll get to that eventually. We'll look at that stuff. Sorry about the mess. Hoses and carpets and all this madness. But look at this. Boom. Okay, and we can see there, I think that looks like the groundhog's teeth, the little fangs. It came out and confronted me one day, and I threw a rock at it, but I missed. But I think it's those little fangs. So that's sort of the issue I'm having. Deers, groundhogs, aka woodchucks, squirrels, and chipmunks. And so to kind of combat that, what I've done is I kind of do this little sky garden concept. So I found that when they're up off the ground, you can see these butternuts coming in here. When they're up off the ground, the deer and the woodchucks can't bite on them because it's probably just like pew, pew, and they can't get it. But you see a spaghetti squash there coming in, and then as you look back, I don't know if you could see, I have some other sort of like sky garden kind of features back over here, where I just try and get stuff up off the ground so that you can see this one here, so that the critters can't get to it. But yeah, it's a crime scene out here in the garden. See you soon.